YouTube, what's good, baby? It's your boy J Spikes, man. I'm back with another lit video, man. Welcome back to the channel, all my OGs, and welcome to the channel, all my new people that have been joining, man. And we steady running them numbers up, man. I'm steady seeing y'all boys coming in, subscribing to the channel. Y'all liking the content, y'all liking all these builds on the channel, these different cars that I'm bringing to you, man. Tell a friend to tell a friend, man, because it goes down. And if you ain't already, man, click that notification bell so you already know when I drop, man. It's going to contact you and let you know when I drop. That's what that notification bell for. And if you like any of my content that you done never watched on this channel, man, listen, man. Hey, just like the video. It's free. If you ain't no hater, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell. And if you got any questions, comments, or opinions, you can always leave it in the comments box below, man, because I try to talk back as much as I can. Y'all watch this heat, man. I got some more front yard boogie going on today for the ones that want to see that front yard boogie. Watch this heat. Boom. All right, y'all, this is what we got going on today. We got that old Mopar in the house today, boy. We got that old round 1500 5.7 Himi in the house, man. This is one of my repeat customers' truck. And actually, this is his wife's truck. I done worked on all his vehicles, man. But what we're gonna do today, man, they want to put some step bars in there. They're getting a little up in age, and you know they want to be able to jump in this truck without having to struggle, man. This truck pretty high off the ground, you know. 80,000 miles on that thing. Pretty clean truck, nice, taken care of. Nobody probably ever sit in the back seat of that thing. And yeah, just a nice clean pickup, man. So this is the type of stuff that I do on a daily, you know what I'm saying, when I'm not doing my custom projects and all that stuff over there, you know what I'm saying. And so this is what we got today. We got a brand new set of step bars, and this is the one she's going with. We got the chrome with the black pads on it. I kind of like these other than the ones I got on Big X. Well, they came on Big X, and I'm gonna put some electric step bars on Big X. Definitely. I haven't even found any that they make for these 90 model trucks, OBSs, but I'm gonna definitely make some fit on Big X electric. I'm telling y'all just watch this heat. We're back to the Dodge. We got both of them. We got the other one right here. And it came with all the hardware and the brackets. So I think each step has 3 brackets. 3 in this box. 3 in this box. I believe I got 3 in this box. Yeah, I got 3 in this box. And a lot of bolts to go to it. And I think I gotta drill some holes and some stud welds and stuff, man. But it's a lot of it's a lot of hard work to put these things on, boy. So yeah, with that being said, I'm gonna get this thing going. It's about 9:30, 10 o'clock in the morning. It's real cold out here. I'm set up. I got my directions over here, sitting on Big X. You feel me? See, you say some of them require factory holes. Will require drilling through the pinch well, but that's from 2009, 2012. So I don't know, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, all in all, that's what we're supposed to be looking like when we get through, you feel me? At step 11. So I got 11 steps to go. You know what I'm saying? So well, got to sit back, relax, watch this heat, watch me sling these tools. Bring y'all back when I'm on to another step, baby. Yes, sir. Alright, y'all. I got the whole package unboxed, separated a little bit. I got all my bolts, my hardware, brackets. Came with a set of gloves. Appreciate that, because them step bars sharp on the bottom. I got my left side brackets out, all 3. Right side brackets out, all 3. 2 step bars. Now let's make sure that we have all our hardware, right? Okay, so we made sure we got the 2 step bars. We got the 6 mounting brackets, 3 and 3. We supposed to have 24 M8 30mm hex bolts. I don't even know which one of them is, but I'm gonna count this stuff. And yeah, I'll bring y'all back. I just wanted to give y'all a quick little update what I had going on It's just been a few minutes. Gonna be a quick video. Just want to show y'all how I be busting these tools out. You know what I'm saying? Really out here in this front yard gang, getting it in. You know what I'm talking about? But yeah, let me count out this crap because it's a lot of bolts, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'll get right back with y'all. Watch this eat. All right, y'all. Quick little update. What I gotta do is I had to get under there and see which bolts I have, which are model A. So I gotta go take all these little clips here. I gotta take 6 clips. It's 3 bolt holes in there. One on the front, one in the middle, one in the back. Okay, I gotta take them clips, put them in that hole like that, spread them out. Then I gotta come back. I got my washers and my bolts already picked out, and I got my brackets down there ready. So that's the next step I got with these. Trying to show y'all every step I can. I got a bracket there, got a bracket there, and I got a bracket here. I got all my bolts out right here. Got my necessary sockets for this particular step. And I'll get under here and show y'all. I'll try to show y'all. There we go. See, you put these clips right here, and you want to spread them out to them holes like that. And that's where your bracket gonna bolt to. Your bracket gonna bolt just like this. Biggest, the largest. Then them other bolts gonna bolt right here with some bolts and washers on the back of them. You feel me? You see them 2 bolts? Yes, sir. Watch this heat. I ain't playing no game. I ain't even gonna bore y'all. Y'all know how I do my content. I work, get work done, show you the result afterwards. I ain't got time to be dragging y'all along, trying to talk y'all through minutes. Watch this heat, baby. Boom. I got them brackets on there, boy. Quit playing them game. Y'all see the bracket? You see the bracket? Oh yeah. You see the bracket? Oh yeah. And what they didn't tell me was how I was gonna have to put these bolts here. Them little small bolts on the outside. You see them? They look a little tacky, but I guess the step will hide it a little bit, I guess. But I got it on there. Lock washer and the washer on each bolt. Well, not this one because the middle's so thick. If you see down here, the middle is 3 layers. And over here, you can see the middle is 2 layers. So there wasn't enough room to put the washer on the bottom, the lock washer on the bottom on the outside. But I do got it on the outside, not the inside. But they on there. I got that 3rd one down there bolted up. And now what we finna do is finna try to put this finna put this step on here. Get our first look at the step. And I got one of them upside down. And I gotta cut this zip tie. It's a zip tie up under there holding them together so they won't clink around. I cut that zip tie and slide these in place where I want them at. And then that's how I'm gonna mount the step on there. And I think I got to use some of these washers too, and lock washers to put on here. So it's 2, 4, 6, and it should be. Let's see. It's 3. It's 6. It's 3, 2, 4, 6. Got 3 left. Same thing over here. 3, 6, 3, 6. That's 6 lock washers and 6 flat washers for the driver's side. 6 flat washers, 6 lock washers for the passenger side. I think we got everything we need. And this all the hardware. This is extra. This my little extra pile up here. That's my little extra pile. But this is all for the driver's side. These are all the bolts you need for the driver's side right here. You feel me? So it ain't too hard, but it's a little time consuming. So I'm gonna have to put all them washers and stuff on the bottom of the steps. So let me get this thing over here. I'm gonna get my my level, put my level on it, make sure they level. Then I'm gonna set the step on it. Watch this heat. All right, y'all. You see it. You see what go down. You see what go down. Yeah. Yeah. Gotta mount it up. Still. Yes, sir. Bolt it up. Like I said, I had to put them washers at the bottom of it on them 3 brackets. Matter of fact, let me get under there and show you. Just in case somebody trying to do this. I know a lot of people ride these Dodges, but as you can see, each one of them little blocks, they got them little slits in them, and they lock in the lip on the bottom of the steel. And I put them washers, lock washers and flat washers in there. Yes, sir. On each one. You see it? I gotta tighten this one up. I'll tighten all the rest of them up though. You can see that one. You can see these tighten up. And those are tighten up. But yeah, let me get on here and tighten the rest of these up. And then I'm gonna put the other one on. And I'll bring y'all back. Give y'all a look at what go down. What go down? Watch this heat. Alright, y'all, it's been a little while. I got the Dodge done, man. And it looked pretty good, man. Ooh, let me get out that sun. And it looked pretty good. Man, listen. It took me about 2 hours to get these running boards on. I ain't gonna lie, after I did the first one, it got pretty easy. I kind of figured it out, but all the bolts work, they some extra hardware, all that good stuff. But yeah, man, all in all, I'm gonna give y'all a look at these running boards. And if you want some of these, man, I do recommend them because they some pretty good running boards and they pretty sturdy too. Check them out. Yeah. They look good, man. Yeah. They look good. I got them mounted on there, baby. Another happy customer, you feel me? Yes, sir. Got the running boards on there. All empty boxes. Drop side. You see it? Brand new running boards, man. Yeah. Yeah. Still, baby. Let me stand on this thing one time, see how sturdy it really is, though. Oh. Yeah. Shit. You know what I'm saying? I can make the truck rock. And they pretty sturdy. They pretty sturdy. Yeah. I like that. Quit playing them games. 2014 Dodge Ram 1500 with a 5.7 Himi in it. You feel me? Quit playing them games. Slanging them tools and keeping my people on the move with these wheels turning. Hey man, y'all subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell. Man, leave a like on the video if you like the content. If you got any questions, comments, or opinion, leave it in the comment box below, because you already know I try to talk back. It's your favorite front yard boy. I'll catch y'all on another front yard boogie. Watch this heat.